this video. It's too really raw for y'all. It's definitely too dangerous for the algorithm. It got 6 views. One of those was me. Before the algorithm cut it off. I know that not everybody out there is a brain dead zombie. You are who I'm talking to. The real people. The ones out there with backbones that you're sitting on. I believe in God and God's will being the best way, and I know that's going to prevail. However, we are called to more. And day by day, we see our liberties, our freedom, and our rights stripped away. If I'm the only one out here clanging a gong, I'll be easily taken out. And when I'm gone, mainly because nobody paid attention and they were busy scrolling, usually right past me, but letting them take it away day by day. And the question remains, what are we going to do about it? What you say, Naz? Well, hell, she left me too.